Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert Excel to CSV. So open your Excel worksheet. So now we have this Excel worksheet and you want to convert into CSV. Click on File, Save As. Now select location where you want to save this one. Now save as type. Here guys you have to select CSV. You will see some options to save in CSV like CSV UTF, comma delimited, and another one CSV, comma delimited, and also guys you will find CSV, MS, and CSV. So this is the four type of CSV. Select one by one and check out which is the proper for you. So just for example you want to save like this CSV, comma delimited. Select it and give any name. Like testing Excel to CSV. Then save it. Now open and see the result. Now right click on it and open with. Choose another program. You can select Notepad. Then click on just one. So we can see now we have this Excel sheet in